Okay, this one's on friend of a court. You can come in after you've pretty much seen what's going on here, establishing yourself as a friend of the court. You have somebody that is in court that needs some additional help. You can come in as a friend of the court, become the U.S. prosecutor, the us prosecutor in the court case, do a counteraction by them to put the claim in as a counteraction into the court. They would now, their living body would now become the plaintiff in the case. You would step in as the U.S. prosecutor, the us prosecutor. The defendant would be, in the case, in most cases like traffic tickets and stuff like that, would be your fictional person. You would order the removal of all dead bar attorneys out of the court. Now you're left with the judge, you as the U.S. Prosecutor, and the living body of the person as being the plaintiff. Now you would issue your tribunal ruling. You would have you, the plaintiff, and the judge. And you would issue the ruling. The judge is going to have to stand mute unless they go into the private in the scenario. And then you would turn around and do the same thing like I said before. You would have the ruling coming out of the tribunal. Then you would give the write-up of the court case. You would also do a court order write-up. Okay, you don't sign that. You process that through the clerk of the court so the judge can sign it and issue out the order back to the clerk to have carried out. Excuse me. So, think about after you get a little more basic understanding, you can become a friend of the court. And then you would step in as the prosecutor if these people need to have your help, that they don't understand how, and it's not that hard, okay, to basically just turn around and start standing up to these items in court. Okay? You're the living. They're the dead. Okay? And it's a very simple process. You take control. Stop thinking that these guys are going to, you get the dead out of there, okay? Now you can start living. They're not going to attack you unless you attack them in some real harming manner, threatening manner, okay? But to just have the bar attorneys removed, because under the American law system, a bar attorney cannot be present in an American judicial lawful court. That's the bottom line. All these wannabe patriots and everything out here that want to, I'm going in the court and I'm going to argue and I'm going to convince the judge that basically I know what I'm talking about. Well, no, you don't. Okay? You're arguing the wrong law. And I can prove that. Because you really don't know who you are and you're going in there arguing the wrong law. I told you about private property. I'm basically having certain protections. And where's it at? It's under the shipping title. Title 46 USC. Nobody's ever mentioned that one. Go and start looking some of these things up and maybe you'll really start understanding what's going on. And then get out here and try some of this stuff. Look at what I've posted. Take care. Have a good day.